If you've ever accidentally deleted important messages, photos, or videos in Telegram and wondered how to get them back, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know the honest truth about what's actually recoverable, why some options don't work, and how you can protect your data going forward with simple steps anyone can follow. So let's jump right in. First, let's clear up a huge misconception. Many people believe there's a secret way to undelete messages or media from Telegram cloud chats, but unfortunately, that's not the case. When you delete a message or photo from a standard cloud chat, and especially when you choose Delete for Everyone, Telegram erases that content permanently from its servers. There is no built-in recovery option, no magic button hidden in the app that will restore your file. That data is truly gone. And what about secret chats? Well, those are designed to be even more private and secure using end-to-end encryption. If you delete a message or media in a secret chat, it vanishes instantly from both devices. Telegram itself can't access these messages, so there is absolutely no way to recover what's been deleted here. I know that might sound disappointing, but it's actually for your privacy and security. Telegram doesn't keep backups of your personal secrets. Now, before you lose all hope, there's one more place to check: your own device. Here where a little optimistic sleuthing comes in. When you receive photos or videos in Telegram, sometimes your phone will keep a copy outside the app in its local cache or your photo gallery. So after deleting something from a chat, immediately open your gallery or the downloads folder on your phone. You can also navigate to your phone's internal storage and look for folders named Telegram or Telegram Images. It's a little like checking under your couch cushions for a lost remote. You might be surprised at what's hiding there. If your media was saved locally before deletion, you'll be able to access it, even though it's gone from the app. This step might take a bit of patience, and you may have to dig around your gallery or file manager, but it's your best shot at actually recovering something. Now you may be wondering about all those third-party recovery tools you see online, the ones that promise deep Telegram scan and message recovery. My strong advice: be extremely cautious. There's no official software. Actually, there's no reputable way of restoring deleted Telegram server data. Most of these apps are misleading, and some come with significant security risks, including malware or even data theft. If an app says it can recover what's been deleted from Telegram's cloud, it's almost certainly too good to be true. So what's the smartest way to prevent future data loss? Prevention is really your best friend here. First, enable Telegram's auto-download feature in the app settings, so every image and video gets saved directly to your phone's gallery. That way, even if something disappears from the chat, it's still on your device. Second, make regular backups of your phone using Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iOS. This way, if you ever lose app data, there's at least a chance to restore from your latest backup. Think of it as having a safety net just in case. So to recap, Telegram doesn't offer a built-in mechanism for recovering deleted chats or media. What's gone is truly gone from their servers, especially for cloud and secret chats. Your only hope is in your device's local files or in a backup you've made ahead of time. If you take a few seconds today to set up auto-downloads and schedule regular phone backups, you'll save yourself a huge headache in the future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop your questions in the comments. I always read them, and I'm happy to help if you're stuck. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials just like this one. See you next time.